The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Jamaica alone is our God. We're moving Chicago. But the moving truck as a bike. Man, them a move, man, them now laugh with the road. And the parent and the man is there. Yo, in a Jamaica alone.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, if I never see it with my own two eyes, I probably wouldn't believe it. You see me? To see someone on the back of a bike carrying a bed frame, right? Yeah, a bed frame on a motorcycle being carried by someone that is a pillion on the back of a bike. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, two persons is on the bike, you know. One has steer the bike and one is a pillion on the bike. You get what I'm saying to you? So two persons and the pillion that carry the bed frame. I wouldn't encourage anyone to do something like that. As a matter of fact, I would like to let persons out there know that something like that is very dangerous. Very dangerous. And I would not encourage anyone to do something like that. Alright? Yeah, don't do something like that, yo. That's dangerous, yo. Now, anyways, viewers and subscribers, here is the thing now. I don't know how much of you might have seen a video that is circulating on social media where it says that Duppy somewhere within Jamaica. You see me? And every time I see this video on social media, I see where it say it there at Montego Bay, then it say there over to the west side of Jamaica, then it say there to the east, and then it say all over in the different parishes of Jamaica. You get what I'm saying to you? This Duppy that is in a tree thing. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play the video for you right about now. First things first, you see me? I want to look at the video properly, and I want to listen to the sound in the background of the video, and then I'm going to explain something I see in this video because I find it hard to believe. As a matter of fact, I don't really believe what has been said about this video, but it shows of Duppy that is in the treetop and it is said that it is somewhere within Jamaica. No, I don't really believe it, and I'm going to point out some reasons why. So, take a look at the video and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media where it says that Duppy is somewhere within Jamaica and the Duppy is in the tree and all these things. Now, viewers and subscribers, here's my point of view and what I think about this video right about now. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, first of all, I want to point it out that the audio in the video sound like something that had been looped. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, it sounds like something looped. When we listen to the audio, me hear a starting over point in it. You see me? That are the first thing I point out. You see me? Now, the second thing I want to point out is that I saw a video on social media that looks similar to the video that is circulating on social media saying that it shows a Duppy in a tree, you know, somewhere in Jamaica. Right? I say similar, but it could probably be the same video. But however, I say similar, right? Now, this video shows of someone in a tree, and even though I can't understand what the person in the background of the video is saying or you know so on, viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering to myself, what if someone or persons on social media saw this video on social media and then take this video and put an audio in the background of the video and then say Duppy is seen in a tree somewhere in Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, what I'm saying to you is just my opinion and my point of view, you know. And I might be right and I might be wrong, and you can tell me if I'm right or I'm wrong, you see me? But in my opinion about this video, I don't believe that no Duppy no in a tree and make no noise nowhere in Jamaica. I think that this thing is some form of, you know, some form of loop put together with a video that they found on social media somewhere out there. You see what I'm saying to you? And that's my opinion. Alright? But anyways, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about what I've just said and about the 2 videos. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?